Before Monday market open, you have confirmation US and Iran fighting once again. So last week gold fell below 4K area. At the same time, strong rejection, but still before Monday market open, this is clear confirmation. I think confirmation came after Friday closing. First Iran attack a ship in Strait. Now US attacking Iran in response. So before Monday market open, before your very big NFP news, before Fed speech this week, like mini FOMC meeting, you have again a war risk. They are fighting once again and you have same supply chain issue. This is strange. Before FOMC meeting, Trump was creating a condition where war was ending, but this time before Monday market open, before next Fed speech, Trump creating a condition where they are fighting again. That means war risk rising once again. This feels strange because before Friday closing last week, one FOMC member said they want one rate hike this year. Iran attack on Friday last week, but USA attacking in response after market closing. So let's see how market react, but conditions are back seem like old days. War either still happening or not ending, and same supply chain issue. So very weak, super important week, like almost mini FOMC meeting, new Fed chair event. He will give a speech. After that, Friday this week you will have NFP. So if NFP come hot, gold will go down. If NFP come weak, or you can say same as expected, then gold can survive our 4K area. But before latest Fed speech, you have again seem like old days, a war risk. So last week, technically gold was showing strong rejection on 4K area, but before Monday market open, you again have war risk. But technically still 4K area support and 4400, that is your resistance. So we don't know how market will react after Monday market open, but things are set. Latest war update can force new Fed chair to be hawkish. If that is the case, due to new update from US government, they are attacking Iran. This is the area on weekly time frame, big support zone, that is below 4K area, and last week you saw big clear rejection from 4K support zone. Crowd is calling for 3800, that is not important, but any level below 4K, you have to see gold will show again reaction or not. So this week Monday market open is all about war reaction, because news confirmation came after Friday closing, and this week after that Friday, that is your NFP. NFP hot, gold down. NFP weak, gold up. So this week Monday market open till Friday closing. So many important news, everything waiting to Fed gold price. But still I can say 4K area, big steady support zone. For sure, gold will show rejection once again. We said so many things this time that gold will struggle below 4K area, hard for gold to stay below 4K. Now despite so many things, you have clear closing, not just one but many candlesticks still closing above 4K area. But something changed last week, more weekly candlestick fall, more red color closing. Now gold weekly time frame is oversold, almost same to same like 2022. So overbought condition, bubble condition now over. Now gold is oversold once again, same like 2022. Back to intraday H4 time frame, you have super strong trend line tested multiple times. So if price goes up more, do some technical recovery. First of all, 4220, that is your static resistance plus a trend line, and soon during time of the test both will be near same place. Either you have static resistance 4220 or a trend line, and your war reaction waiting on Monday market open. So because of latest war update in beginning of next week, maybe gold stay below this trend line, not breakout. After that, you will have Fed speech, that will be your review of latest war update, and after that, before Friday closing, you will have NFP. Support is clear, 4K area everyone know, and last week you saw clear rejection. So many tests below 4K all failed, and suddenly market reverse. And now you clear static resistance area 4220 on H1 time frame. This is your nearest resistance. Before that, there is no major resistance. So either you focus on this level 4220 or trend line near that area. So during time of the test, this resistance area and this H4 trend line both will be near same place. So for scalper, from Monday market open till Friday closing, so many news all waiting to affect gold. So this week will be super important, like mini FOMC Fed speech and NFP and latest war panic waiting on Monday market open. Because of that, gold can dip again. But again, watch carefully entire week Monday open till Friday closing how gold will react once again if it dip below 4K area. So this week almost last of June, soon June month will end. This week July month will start. Your third quarter or you can say second half of this year will start, but monthly falling in red line. So July month super important. Before everything start once again, let's see everything in chronological order. In end of the month, you will have FOMC. Before that, Fed will give 3 speeches this month. One of them this week, and before that, your war market reaction, Fed review, and later after Fed speech, NFP this week. You saw oil falling. You saw PC inflation, which is most favorite of Fed. We saw last week almost same to same as expected or lower than expected, but mostly we can say core inflation, PCE, they are almost same to same as expected. So this is good news for gold, falling oil and expected inflation. But war news before Monday market open change everything, because that same supply chain issue that is back. Even one FOMC member predicting rate hike before Friday closing. So back to daily time frame, traders are calling 3800 level, but that is not important because that will be lower part of the range. But most important, you should be focusing on 4K psychological area. Near this area, we are again seeing almost second time a big rejection. Previously, we saw rejection near 4K, and this is almost third time gold showing some rejection. So Trump said before Friday closing last week, but attack confirmation came after Friday closing, and market will react on Monday market open. So this is super strong trend line. If gold spike more, that will be your resistance, and before trend line 4220, that is your static resistance level. There is a risk because of new war update, gold can dip below 4K. That will be before Fed speech. That will be before NFP number. But again, you can see lower part of the range. 9 month, gold is sideways on 4K level. So watch carefully during Monday market open because of war if gold dip again below 4K. But after Fed speech, after NFP, how gold will react. So basically this week you have 3 news. First of all, war market reaction on Monday market open. Then July 1st, Fed speech. Then Friday this week your NFP. And technically only one level 4K support and resistance 4220. For intraday scalper, focus on this level on H1 time frame, clear resistance 4220, and best part, trend line almost there near that resistance area. And this last week low, this support zone intraday 3970, that is a big support level. So suppose 3970, if gold dip again due to war, or if it spike maybe after Fed speech or NFP, then 4220, that is your resistance level. So you have crystal clear support and resistance from Monday market open till Friday closing. For scalper, you have so many news.